the man of the moment, DJ Strawberry, and that's sweet from Strawberry.
Obviously, my dad played baseball and was a great athlete. Just the lifestyle and the work that he put in. Seeing that on an everyday basis, kind of inspired me in going into my career and my different things to work hard and be confident and just play tough every time you step on the court.
Now DJ Strawberry gets up to the basket with the pass and the two-handed slam.
He always just told me to be myself, no matter what. Everybody knows his background, but he always wanted me to make a name for myself. So he said, be myself, be confident, and just have fun.
DJ Strawberry, long ranger. Oh, it's good.
I just like basketball more. All my friends and everybody in my family growing up around my age, we all played basketball. So, baseball was more his era and his age, and basketball growing up, we kind of connected with that, me and all my friends.